So I entered my first trade. I'm in 2 contracts for 135 each. 21%. Let's fucking go, guys. Let's get a fat drop. Come on.
Good morning, fellow traders. Thursday, super freaking tired. It's gym time. Opening up the charts right now so I can have the computer loaded. So freaking tired, but we made it, guys. Gonna walk a little bit and then it's pectoral day. Added some blueberries, bananas to my protein shake. Just got back from the gym, got my protein shake on, showered up, threw on the Discord, seeing what's good. I haven't charted last night, so I'm charting right now as we speak. And before we do that, I'm gonna show you guys the nutrition facts for this protein shake, because I threw some blueberries in there. I changed it up a little bit this time. And then we're gonna go over how we did on the social media, because guys, our YouTube is almost at 500, so we're only about like 15 away. With everything that I added for today with the blueberries, no oatmeals, 415 calories for the breakfast, and I still have 1975 calories remaining, 36 grams of protein. You guys got to use MyFitnessPal. This stuff really works. So I posted 3 vlogs within the last 3 days, and the first one actually did really good views, 43 views, 39 views, and the most recent one, which is yesterday, you guys got to check that one out, only has 12, but I appreciate you guys following. We're at 483 now, almost to 500. My videos, as far as the ones I posted yesterday, I only posted 2 of them, actually 1 of them, but they're doing pretty decent as well. All the most recent ones are doing really well. 400 views on that one, 118 on that one, 199 on that one, 400 on that one. So they're actually doing really well. So I appreciate you guys liking them, watching them as well. You guys are boosting it up. And as far as my Instagram goes, still at 221 followers. We got to get that up. Videos last night are well over 100, most of them, besides the most recent one I posted, which was yesterday. But all of them so far are over 100, almost even 200 at some. So I appreciate that, guys. We're gonna keep dropping sauce here. And as far as TikTok goes, we're only 45 away from 4,000 followers, but all of them are over 200 views now. They're finally doing some decent numbers. Some of them 300. Besides those ones that literally have 14, and I think another one has like 7. One of them almost has 400. So I appreciate that, guys. Let's keep running up these numbers and let's keep doing our thing. And today on the agenda, we're going to take a couple of trades in the first few hours, try to get it out the way so I'm not waiting for a long time for a trade. And then we're also going to go clean a car today, probably even 2 of them. One at my mom's Fife shop, one at my mom's Piala shop. Somebody got their window broken into, so I got to clean it up. And as far as the market goes today, SPY is at all-time highs. I hate trading market at all-time highs, so I'm going to be cautious today. I am still going to take trades and try to find a good setup in my favor, but market's at all-time highs, and I didn't chart last night, so I'm seeing right now what I can trade for today. So I don't see no trade setups in my favor, and I hate taking trades right at open, so I didn't take no trades, although I did see one on Amazon for a breakdown on this resistance level, which I'll show you guys here in a second. But I'm not a big fan of taking trades right at open, guys. It's not my thing. I'm gonna wait for a trade setup in my favor, maybe a retest for some more downside action, because we are trending down here. So I'll see what we can catch. So this is Amazon right here, and you guys can see every time we hit this general area, right here we rejected, right here we rejected, and then early morning in the pre-market we were rejecting. We did kind of climb in it a little bit, but look at that nice reversal type candle, long way to the upside. I didn't catch it. I didn't want to enter because I hate taking trades right at open. You just never know what's going to happen. That's not my thing no more, but it's looking real nice, guys. Market's trending down here after we got real close to all-time high breaks. SPY broke all-time high and then ended up falling below it. So I still have yet to take a trade, but while we let the market do its thing, we're going to do this AI generator and generate a clip. I already threw in one of the candlestick videos, and this is what the market's doing so far, guys. Haven't caught anything yet, doing its own thing, so I'll wait till a setup actually comes in my favor. Try to catch a decent trade if it comes up. Let's see what we can catch today, and if not, we'll just move on about our day, go clean a car, edit up this vlog, and keep on working. So this one gave me 10 videos to use. I'm gonna post them all over online and have them scheduled if I can. Hopefully it doesn't block me today. We're gonna be patient today. If we cannot catch any trades, it's totally fine. We're gonna move on about our day and just go start car cleaning, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. I'll show you guys all the tools that I use to clean a car the proper way, the chemical I use, and the brush, and a couple other things that I use. But overall, guys, I cannot find a single trade so far, so I'm just gonna work on these videos, have them posted up and lined up for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, and see how those do as well. But market's not giving for me today, so I can't take any trades unless I see an A1 setup. It's been 2 hours in, and I seriously haven't took a trade, but I did download all those videos that I'm gonna start posting on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. And guys, look at the market. Market overall, Nvidia's just going flat, Apple's going still flat, and same thing with SMCI. Not really much going on, so I'm probably not even gonna take any trades today. If I do, I'll just pop up my phone while I'm working, see if there's any setups, but so far I don't see nothing. So I sat here for 2 hours not taking no trades, but that's kind of what the market's like. It's just market watching the market, making sure you're in the right specific trade. And so far I don't take no trades trades, even if I'm bullish or bearish on the market. I don't just enter for no reason. I have to actually find the right trade setup in my favor, and that's what we do as traders. You got to find the best trade setup in your favor. And right now on the market, as you guys can see on my charts, there is no stock that is in my favor. The only one that was decent is AMD for the retest here, but I didn't enter that one. And Apple bouncing at this fib level, but I didn't enter that one as well because I'm very patient. And also yesterday, since I took a loss, I don't want to take another loss today. So I'm being patient. I don't want to force no trades just to try to recover off that loss for that day. I'm gonna wait for the market to be in my favor. So I got content scheduled dropping in the next 30 minutes, and every single hour it'll drop all the way until 5 p.m. So I only got like 6 videos out of that thing, but that's perfect, man. So also you have them preloaded on my TikTok. I just found out I could just add them to my drafts, and I could just select them and then hit post. So not only do I have Instagram loaded up perfectly, but I also have TikTok. Okay, now we're gonna head out and go clean the car, and I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like. Time is currently 9:44 a.m. and we still haven't took a trade, guys. Let me show you guys my account to show you guys I'm not lying. So you guys know I'm not capping. I seriously haven't yet to take a trade. Here's my account with the blue. We're gonna go clean, but if I do see a trade while I'm out there on the road, I'll take one. Let's get it, guys. Now, I am bringing on the mic along with me, so I hope it catches up my voice here pretty well. I'll listen to this right after, but we're gonna go clean the car today. Check this out though. This is probably one of the best side businesses you guys can have on the side as well. Now, it is labor. It's not online stuff. It's not online trading sitting at a computer from the comfortableness of your home. It is labor. The fact that it costs less than $800 for all the equipment, vacuum, air compressor, all the chemicals and bottles, and it lasts a long time too. So I'll show you guys the setup here soon. I charge $250 just for the inside to get done, not the exterior. I don't like doing the exterior, but just the inside, $250, and I got 2 cars lined up. That's $500 in a single day. 10 a.m. right now, or about to be 10 a.m. in 10 minutes. And then we're gonna make $500 within just a couple hours. The first job should take me about 2 to 3 hours, which is real nice. And then the next job should take me about another 2 to 3 hours. So 6-hour day, worst case scenario, 7-8 hour day, but $500, that's, guys, come on, you cannot beat that. I mean, I'm sure there's other jobs where you can make more, like wholesaling and stuff like that. But guys, car cleaning on the side is very good. So I hope this mic picks up what I'm saying. But let's go on. I'm gonna take you guys on the journey and show you guys the moolah, show you guys the cash, how much money I'm about to make off of this, and all the good stuff, man. Bro, hella water just dropped on me because I got like the sunroof open, and that shit just spilled all over me. Goddamn, bro. So this is my mom's other shop. As you can see, it literally says Easy Street Auto. Let me show you everything you guys need. So go to Costco, get yourself some $19 rags, get a little vacuum for like 50 bucks. This is the chemical I use right here. You can't find it in those stores though, but you can use something called Purple Power. It's this one right here. These are all my tools, gloves, spray shine. Guys, all this stuff is less than 600 bucks. I mean, look at it. It doesn't even look like that much stuff. This is the car I'm detailing today, and I'm not even gonna lie, it is bad, bro. Dog hair is horrible. Very difficult to pick up. This is a car I'm gonna detail today. Spent a couple hours on it. Honestly, it might even be more money because of how bad it is. It's real bad, man. Probably go like 300, 325 on this one. So luckily they have a designated spot for me to work at. But guys, this car is horrible. Dog hair up to yin yang. I mean, man, this one's real dirty, dog. So spent a lot of time, a lot of hours on this one. This one's gonna take me some time, to be honest, a lot longer than simply 2 hours. I love when I can knock out a job in 2 hours, man. Those are my favorite. This one's gonna be like 4 hours, potentially. This is the setup here. Brushes, dog brush, because this shit needs to pick up the dog brush. That's it. Time is currently 10:33. Let's see what we can do. So I did enter my first trade. Let me put my key down real quick. So I entered my first trade on AMD. As you can see, I'm in 2 contracts for 135 each. First price target is 157.50, and the second price target is 156.87. Reason why I'm in it is because look at the hourly candle, guys. And if I take off the alerts real quick, you guys can see that we rejected that Fibonacci retracement level. Even on the 30 minutes, we have a nice little bearish engulfing here. So I do like the price action here, and I'm currently just up 4%. So I'm gonna hold it for these price targets, man. That's what we're gonna do, guys. First price target hit, which is 13%, which is nice. 21%. Let's fucking go, guys. Let's get a fat drop. Come on. 30 minutes is looking good. I just set a stop loss alert area, which is 157.70. Hopefully it does not get above that again. But guys, we need a freaking drop down way below. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is sell one of them. So I just sold one of them because I want to secure a gain, which wasn't even that much, honestly. It was $24, something like that. We're still currently up 18%. I just don't want this to turn around on me. So far, I'm gonna hold that last one till price target though. Thing is up 25%, and guys, check out what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set my stop limit at 157.50. We're currently at 157.18. Price target is still 156.87. That's what I'm shooting for, and I did sell one, and it looks like we're gonna keep on continuing to drop. Let's fucking go, guys. Keep dropping, man. It is literally so close to price target, man. It's just like 20 cents, 30 cents away. Come on.
All right, guys, so we sold out, and this is our orders right here. As you guys can see, we bought 2 of them for 135, sold one at 157, and the last one at 174. I am not complaining. Well, now it hits price target. That would have been the price target right here, but it's all good, man. I'm not complaining. Let's see what it would have been at if we would have held just an extra $10, which is not too bad, but you know, it is what it is, guys. So I'm happy for that one. That one was a good one. Back to brand new, guys. Come on, this is how we do it over here, guys. I'm trying to tell y'all. Get into this business, you make money. Let's see what time it is. Let's see what time it is. Did take me a couple hours. I'm not even gonna lie. It's 1 p.m. This is what we're eating for a quick meal on the road. My girlfriend packed me a beautiful bag. Come on, we got a nice beef jerky stick and a little candy down there. Now we're on the way to the other shop in Puyallup, 20 minutes away, and then we're gonna go and detail a truck over there real quick. Just arrived. It's super late, 2:30 p.m. Still gonna get it done though. They look busy, busy, busy. Round 2. Not that bad this time though. This one's gonna be pretty easy. Oh yeah, trucks are easy. Knock this one out. So we just finished. The time is 4:06 p.m. and I'm on the way to get gas. But guys, guess what happened, man? So I don't know when this happened, but I cracked my phone right there. You guys see that? Good thing it's a screen protector, and I hope it's a screen protector. But I'm gonna go take it off when I get home. But goddamn, man. I got a little mini cigar that I'm about to smoke on the way home. It's really small, so it's a nice, light, little personal one. I don't have no ashtray, unfortunately, so I'm going to figure something out real quick. 930 calorie dinner. Bulldog noodle, top ramen. Only got 500 calories left. So after a long day, it's still 7 p.m. right now as we speak. Editing up the vlog right now, adding in this last little bit. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I took you guys along with me to car detailing, to 2 different shops today. A long day. But we did 2 of the vehicles, got them finished. And we're not gonna chart tonight. We're gonna do it again tomorrow in the pre-market because I kind of do enjoy that as well. Gives me a little bit of a brain refresh. Make sure my technical analysis is on point as well. But I hope you guys are enjoying these little bits and pieces of pretty much taking you guys along with what I gotta do for today. And let's show you guys that screen. Let's see if it's a screen protector or if it was my phone. So as you guys can see, that's a pretty big crack, but I'm sure it's a screen protector. So let's take that shit off. Pretty big little gash. Moment of truth right here. We are saved. Screen protector for the dub. What is that? Hold on. Okay. I got scared right there. Yeah, we are saved, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. But guys, if you guys want to join the free Discord, I'm telling y'all, somebody just joined yesterday and then left immediately after I literally greeted them. But if you guys want to join the Discord, there's a free server in my website. Just click on my website, click the link, and join free server. The link is in my bio. We could talk trading, and I do plan to probably go live with them tomorrow. Just a live trade with them, go on the voice chat, see how everybody's doing. Only about 1 to 2 people are actually chatting back. The other people are a little bit quiet, but some people do message me personally, like JJ, so I appreciate him. And if he's watching these videos too, I appreciate you, bro, joining and message me and ask me how I'm doing and as far as like what's going on with the day. But I hope to see more of you guys in there as well, because a lot of you guys are watching the vlog, but you guys gotta join the freaking Discord, man. So I hope to see you guys in there, and I hope to catch you guys, and let's have a good Friday tomorrow. Friday cheap contracts for tomorrow. Let's have a good trading day, and we managed to recover all our gains all our losses from last night. So last night we were down $82, and now today we're up $81. Here's a screenshot. Not even that much, but we did trade AMD and SPY. I was pretty proud of myself for taking the AMD trade. That was a good setup. And SPY, I just hopped in like 4 contracts and sold at like literally 5% just for a quick gain. But let's see what we can catch for tomorrow, and let's have a good Friday, guys. Hope you guys have a good rest of your guys' day.